Hello everyone! This video is about WhatDroid's browser sleep time, short sleep, and long sleep according to your internet speed. Let's get started. Here's a new feature in WhatDroid in Settings window, where we can find the sleep time options, where you can select short sleep and long sleep according to your internet speed. What sleep time does is that depending on your internet speed, you can select your time duration of sleep times. So if you have a faster internet, then you can select 0.5 seconds. Or if you have a slower internet or maybe normal average internet connection, then you can choose either 1 second or 2 seconds. Or if you have a slower internet speed, you can choose 3 seconds. And on the other hand, you can select your long sleep time from 2 seconds, 4 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds. Again, we recommend for you to choose 0.5 seconds if you have faster internet connection speed. In this way, your WhatDroid will be more faster than before if you have a very fast internet connection with you. For example, let me choose 2 seconds for the short sleep. And I'll select 6 seconds for the long sleep. Then, just save your settings. And that's how easy it is to set up your short sleep and long sleep on WhatDroid. Thank you for watching.